What's going on, world? This is Brian, letting you all know that Dosh is back for the next 7 days. They've brought back their referral program where you get $10 for each referral that connects a debit card or a bank account to their savings app, the cashback app. Before they brought it back, and your referrals had to get cash back through the app before you got paid. But now they're just letting you get paid as soon as your referral connects their card to the app, just like before. It's $10 for each referral, and your referral gets $5 when they connect their card. This is a promo that ends on June 5th, so hurry up and make as much as you can. The money gets posted right to your Dosh account, and you can withdraw right to your bank account. The link is in the description of this video. Go get that money. All right. Talk to y'all later.